Hiya, I decided to redo the removing a white background and recolouring video because of the background noise being sort of too loud. I'm very sorry about that. I didn't realise it was so loud and distracting. Okay, so I've opened a new image. I'm going to go File, Open, and I just use this bit of clip art here because it's handy. You'll see that it's locked. There's a toggle lock here. We need to remove that to be able to work at the image. So come up here to Lock, Unlock and click on it. And you'll see this padlock's gone now and you can work away at the image. Okay, so we come up to the pixel persona and down to the flood select tool. We click on this second box across which says Add. You make sure contiguous and anti-alias is checked, and then you left click on the white pieces of your image, and it's as simple as that. You hit delete on your keyboard and you can see deselect that your white background has gone. Now, if I did that another way, so being lazy, grabbing my image and dragging it onto my workspace, you'll see there's no padlock there. I'm going to do exactly the same thing, pixel persona, flood select tool, I'm going to click Add, and I'm going to left click on all the white bits of my image. Contiguous is checked, anti-alias is checked, everything's the same, and I'm hitting delete. Now, nobody knows why that happens, but it only happens if you drag your image in. So please remember to make sure that you always go File, Open, if that's what you're intending to do. Okay, Control and End, open the image. And I'm going to go File, Open, get this wee guy again. I'm going to unlock him. And I'm going to pixel persona, flood select tool, Add, and I'm going to click on all the white bits. And now I'm going to hit delete on my keyboard and select, deselect. Okay, so now we're going to recolor him. Before I do recolor him, just one thing I should have said. I control my zoom with the wheel on my mouse, and somebody asked me the other day how I did it, how did I set it up. So if you go to Edit, Preferences, and then come down to Tools, and it's this one, use mouse wheel to zoom, it's the third one down, make sure there's a little tick mark at it, and then close, and you can see now you can zoom in and out. Okay, now to recolor. So pixel persona, down to the selection brush tool this time. Make sure Add is selected. Your width size of your brush depending on what size of an area you're going to cover. I'm zooming in and I'm just going to left click and actually drag. I mean, you can let go at any stage, but to select you need to left click and pull down. Or push up even. The choice is yours. Okay, I'm going to make this brush a bit smaller to go up the straps. I'll do the same with this one. There we go. I think that's about it. And we're going to go Layer, New Adjustment, Recolor, and slide the hue slider along until you get a colour you like. And pull the saturation back. And pull the lightness back. And there you have it. That's how I do it. I take my move tool and I draw a box around everything and I group so that the colours all stay with them. And from there you can go File, Export, and you can export as a PNG, as a JPEG, PDF, just really what you want, and save it to wherever you want to save it. Okay, well I hope that helps you, and I hope there's no background noise to distract you. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.